Okay, so for example, this is the name. As soon as you click on the question that you added, automatically there is this list appears. For the validation rules, we will talk about that in a second. You can change the question type. We can try this, but let's see in another one. Let's add another one, like it's for example a checkbox, so that as we said, we can have more than one choice. Okay, so for example, what are the possible causes of whatever? Okay, so for example, like smoking, pregnancy, okay, whatever, risk. Here, when it's done, again we can make this as bold just to make it as a question. We can control that. So here it's vertical. We can make it here. From this, we can make it like this one is vertical. It could be like 2 columns, 3 columns. More important, here we can make it like a Likert scale. Let's put it in a separate question for the Likert scale. Here it's say for example, to what extent are you satisfied with your job? So, and let's put it from 1 to 5. 1 is very unsatisfied, and okay, let's give it 2 to 3 only. 3, add another choice. 4, add another choice. 5. So, and here we can make it like a Likert scale, so it appears like this, and so on and so on. If I want to copy this question, so simply I can go here and say copy this question, and then it's automatically copied, and I go on and on. If I don't want it, it can just delete it. Here I can undo the delete here from the undo button. Okay, and here I can put whatever else. Okay, so let's try another question for the menu, for example. Okay, which of the following is your type? Okay, here we can just edit choices, add any choices, like choice 1, press enter, choice 2, press enter, choice 3, press enter, and when you're done, just press done. So, and here we go. Now we're building it a little bit one by one. So if I want another section, for example, this was the contact information I need, or the demographic information I need to have another one. So for example, here I can make a field set, which means so that I can here like call it section 2. Okay, that for example contacts. Okay, make it bolded to make it short. So here the section is empty. You can add another question, whatever it is here, sorry, any question. Okay, you can just drag and drop it so easily into this section, and you can accordingly control which questions goes to which to which section. So this is like contact here. If I want the contact to be like a mailing address, I made, instead of having this bullets, I just change the question type and make it like a single line or a multiple line. And as we said before, we can even control how it looks from the presentation. So this is the default. We can make it above, below, above, left aligned, or whatever at your convenience. So it seems like fairly easy. So for example, if an answer to a question is either yes or no, and the question appears only if the previous the answer to the previous question is yes. So let's try this. For example, let's make a question, add content question, a yes or no question. Okay, so I'm sorry, like okay, make it like a drop menu.